How to create a questionnaire on Wix. So here from the main page of Wix, I've just clicked on Edit Site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. Now right here, we want to click on the search bar in the top right corner, and we're going to search for questionnaire, like so. And you will see some different options here. So we have 1, 2, 3 form builder, survey and poll, and quick post. So for this, I'm going to use quick post, which is, I think, the easiest option here. So it's going to look like this, and we will just click on add here. And we have to grant it permission, and it's going to appear like so. Now, how can we set this up and change the question? So we're going to click on settings here. It's going to look like this. And we can change the layout itself. So we can do what is your favorite singer here, or the poll / question. We can change it right here, but basically first we have to choose a layout. So we have emojis, we have star rating, buttons, and image, and standard. So I'm going to do emoji here, and we're going to do, are you enjoying your stay, just as an example here. And as you can see, it automatically changes this like so, and people will be able to choose between great, average, and bad. Now we can do this for star rating as well here. Are you enjoying your stay? And they can rate. We can change the question right here, poll question / heading. Now from the settings, we can choose the position of this questionnaire. So we can do left, we can do bottom, or we can do right. And you have some premium features here, which will have a little star next to them, which will require the premium subscription for this quick poll, but you can still use it without a subscription as well. So here, design, we can customize this to our liking. So we can change the examples here for the text and the colors. As you can see, it automatically changes them. Now, what else can we do? We can actually send email notifications about responses to our email address here. So if we type out our email address, then we will receive an email whenever somebody submits a questionnaire response. And basically, those are all the important things that you need to know about this app. That's how we do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.